Here we will write a Python program to print first n odd numbers. So in comment line we will write. For this, first we will define function find odd with one parameter, and we will define two variables. One is I, which is initialized with 1, and other is j, which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop. So while true, that is, it will continue the while loop as long as the condition is true, and then we will check if j equal to n, we will break the loop and we increase I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then outside the function we will accept value of n from the user. So n equal to int input enter nth term, and we call the function find odd and we pass n as a parameter, and then we execute this. I will enter nth term as 4. It will print first 4 odd numbers. To print on same line we will use here end. So I comma end, and we will use space as a separator, and again we execute. I will give 10. It will print first 10 odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19.